Hey guys, Dark here from Minecraft video. Well, destruction. As you can see over here, uh, it's the Pandora's box. I spammed that little island. It's supposed to be there like 20 or 25, maybe 30 times of the Pandora's box. They simply just dig one hole, looked at the corner, and spammed a bunch. Yeah, I did this just a few minutes ago. Yeah, that used to be the owl cat. That used to be grass, stone, coal. This was supposed to be the end. Just trying to generate it back. Pandora's box changed everything because it spammed it a lot. Comment down below if you want me to spam more. Well, see me do it or destroy a map with this. With the Lucky Block mod. I don't want to go inside again. I just went in a few seconds ago. It wasn't that good, but oh god, it's already sleeping. Let's go. Okay, never mind. Essentially, a while ago, when I expanded, I was in the little corner over there. Oh wow, something's still exploding. That it was lava, water, obsidian, go local, changing every time. Water, obsidian, lava. Spam. Cleared this whole area, like, I don't know how big this is, like a 200 or 300 wide area. You know, I don't have the this thing's called I do have the net loader, so but not the mod, but that's weird. I don't have the mod for it. I used to install it. Well, I used to have it a long time back, but I deleted that other account. Not Minecraft account, and my other PC account. It was so glitchy, so I made a new one. This PC account that I have is better. It's actually making me Minecraft. What's the least I could add, but yeah, it's okay. If you're wondering how I get this full print, my tutorial, or I'll just link to the video that John made in the description below. Let's see that thing again. I'll be right back. I am back. Let's see if I don't lag. This is good or bad. Oh wow. Should I try to go in? Should we? Oh god. I'm back, and this is what's the other side is left. Is that how it's alive? Is it? I don't wanna go in there. Pandora's box spammed it 50 times for 30 days. I was having fun in this world when I was supposed to do a triple martial casing that has the diamond apple, the Pandora's box, and the lucky block mod. But I accidentally wind up almost crashing the game. But luckily the computer is good. It has a low memory. Usually doesn't withstand this lag and it usually goes black screen and I have to restart everything over again. It was a pain, but this is a good computer. I'm having lag right now because I'm recording. When I pause, it doesn't usually lag. Yeah. Oh god. By the way, I'm not using shift to go down. I'm pressing alt, left menu, because every time I use the magic launcher and put these mods, I can't use shift to go down. I have to change it. So to prove you I'm not lying, I'm gonna go here. Look at the sneak left menu, and I'm gonna hit the set button. Yeah. I think this is pretty much it. If you do like the commentary, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you do want this map, I'll just make a download link. Yeah, just please do comment, like, subscribe for more daily videos. Sorry about that, I only uploaded 2 videos and lost my active thing because on May 10th I did just celebrate my birthday party, but yeah. Dark out. Please do know that I'm going to start a Minecraft mod survival series. If you do want to join, just add me on Skype in the description below, so I'll know. Just ask me, can I join the Minecraft mod Dead Survival? I'm installing the few mods now, including the mod I just used, including Examine Apple, the Obsidian Dimension, let's see what mod do we have here. Oh, I don't know. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Add me at Skype if you want to join the Minecraft modded survival series. Bye. Forgot to tell you, sorry for my low voice. My throat is a bit sore.